Go. Stop the race. Oh, just gotta get his attention, guys. He's very concentrating there. Yeah, lots of adrenaline. Good now. So wow, we got everybody still in. So after this heat, we're gonna have that first consolation heat for the cars. Then we're gonna have some trucks. Trucks are good. They kind of run out of cars, Chris, for everybody to find. They're getting out of province to find them. They're hard to find now. Yeah, they are. The trucks sure are fun to watch, though. Not sure if that's a new thing coming in, or going to see more trucks and cars next year, or what's going to happen. Well, we got 2 heats this year, so it's definitely picking up. But the cars are definitely the ones to watch. They put a lot of work in. We'll talk to some of these drivers when we get into the consolation heat and stuff, and just